Rise and shine, everyone. Happy Friday. It's December 11th. Today is the next day. Welcome to the Drew Morning Show. I'm Emma Miller, and I'm here with Ava Langlois and Emily Harrod. We're going to start with our announcements.
The Renaissance Club has some exciting news. Wouldn't it be so great just to chat with some friends and make new ones? We think so too, which is why we have planned our first RAM Social Hour. Join us Thursday, December 17th from 3:30 to 4:30 using the code DEMREN.
Drew is starting off the holiday season with some holiday card cheer. Spread holiday spirit by making a donating holiday cards. All drop-off donation cards will go to the elderly at Mary Washington Hospital. Whether you are a super creative or not, this is a great way to express good wishes for the holidays. For those that are in more difficult situations, drop off cards at our collection box outside the main office. We'll be collecting cards until December 17th.
Join us for Movie Club today from 3:30 to 4:30 p.m. We'll meet from 3:30 to 4:30 p.m. We will watch half of the Lemony Snicket series of unfortunate events this Friday and then the other half next Friday. To join the club, use the Google Meet code DMS Movie Time. That's DMS Movie Time. Write it down so you remember.
Emma, the PTO posted some great news about Papa John's fundraiser for school.
I know, I saw that Rams made 10 sales last weekend, earning the school money. The PTO is challenging the school to try and match that again this weekend.
I think we can do it. Jeff from Papa John said that we have the strongest start from any school. Go Rams!
Go Rams! Woohoo!
Remember the fundraisers all month long. Use the code DMS Spirit when you order, and Drew Middle will receive 20% of your order.
Next, we have Umi with us to talk about computer science. Hi, Umi. To start, we wanted to ask you what your favorite part of computer science discoveries is.
Honestly, my favorite part is all of it.
That's awesome. What a fun answer.
Yeah, that's really cool, though. Thank you.
All right, so Emily, you have something you want to present, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we're going to give her a second and let her share her screen and showcase her talents here today.
So I'm going to be showing CSS and the different properties it has.
Do you want to tell us what CSS is? Do you know what that is, what it stands for?
I can't remember what it stands for, but I know it's like adding different properties and designs and colors, sizes.
Cool. Okay.
So here, the H1 was supposed to be purple, but there's also a link that you have to add to the index to make sure it works for CSS. And now I see why it's not working. And you have to put in the type of, say you want the font family, which is the style that you see the font. We'll do cursive. I don't know why it's not working, but usually it shows up kind of like, I wouldn't say it's actually cursive. I would say it's kind of like, have you ever used Comforter? Like on Google Docs?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's what it kind of looks like. And then when you add CSS, you do it based on all these, the first ones, because the last ones they have slashes and it's the same thing. But you have to make sure if you want to code that, you have to use the right one. So what you would do is just put the H1. You don't put the triangles on the side.
Okay.
And then you just add the styles you want to it.
Super cool. And so those codes help format the text on the website.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Cool. Awesome. All right. So you have a video you want to introduce too?
I have the video. I
Well,
don't
we have the
remember.
video.
Oh,
We
wait,
have
I
the
have to
video.
pull
We
it up.
just have to talk about it.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Yeah. So the video is about, like, so at the time it's about how women can do the same things as men and stuff. Like coding. Coding isn't just for boys, it's for girls. It can be for anybody. And 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 it's about like hours of code, which means you would do coding different styles of code till you get to 1 hour of doing them all.
Awesome. All right. Thank you, Umi, for sharing. That was awesome. And we're going to watch that video.
I think it's really important for girls to study computer science. I think for a long time, the world thought that some things were for boys and some things were for girls, and everyone understands now that boys and girls can have equal opportunity.
If we could just, support girls and give them that initial encouragement, that we can start balancing the skills, and then we won't even have to play with the equation because it will just be a natural flow.
To be able to code gives you the freedom to build anything. And that is just so empowering.
I like having that power in my own hands to express what's in my imagination using programming.
Just the experience of programming gives you access to a new method of thinking. Everything becomes the steps that you can take towards a solution, and that is just extremely valuable.
It's one thing to use software. It's a totally different thing to get to change how the software you use actually works.
Yeah, all of my favorite memories from computer science are actually programming together with teams. I mean, I don't think CS is a solo thing. I mean, nothing is. If you want to build something amazing, you usually have to do it in a team, and CS is no different.
You all live in a time where expressing yourself, learning about different people, making a business, and a real difference in your communities is all totally possible. With computers, it's right at your fingertips.
It's not about being a girl or being a boy. It's about being talented. Computer science needs more talented people who are not afraid of being creative and making the world a better place.
Jump into it, learn, just try and take one class, give it 1 hour. It's amazing what you can learn in 1 hour.
And that's what's so exciting about Hour of Code. All of you were able to participate from all parts of the country, at all ages, from all different backgrounds, and that's what will create the right opportunities for everyone.
Every girl deserves to take part in creating the technology that will change our world and change who runs it. I challenge girls in every single country to learn 1 hour of code.
Technology touches every part of our lives. So if you can change technology, you can change the world.
Bye, everyone. Happy weekend.
Bye.